Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time.
Take 1 small bowl for mixing. Rava 1 cup. Rice flour 1 cup. Water 3 cups. Mix with whisk or using hand. A pinch of asafoetida. Salt as required. A pinch of sugar. 2 green chili, finely chopped. Half carrot grated. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Chopped coriander leaves 1 sprig. Black peppercorn 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Oil. Water. Wipe it. Once again, mix it. If you take like this, some rava should stay in your hand. Use small bowl for pouring. Continually keep medium flame. Be patient because Rava Dosa more time will take than regular dosa. Use dosa spatula for taking. Look down the dosa color. Wow, beautiful, right? This yummy dosa only for you. Enjoy it. And also Chef Suganthan made for you more quick recipes, which is more delicious and yummy. Kumbakonam special, Kadapa. Karnataka special, Neer dosa. Kolkata special, Do Payasa. Please check out our channel playlist for more recipes. Eat healthy food, be healthy. Disease-free life is real wealth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and smash a like button. Share your friends and family.